Databricks, it's definitely the buzzword, isn't it? The engine behind so much smart AI and those real-time insights everyone wants.
It really is.
But let's be honest, if someone dropped a full Databricks workspace on your desk right now, would you really feel ready to leverage it completely?
That's a great question. And for many people, the answer is probably. Maybe not entirely. The sheer scale of it, all the different parts, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first glance.
Right.
So our goal here in this quick deep dive is really to demystify it, to cut through some of that complexity.
Yeah, give you the essentials, maybe in just a few minutes, because Databricks is becoming such a cornerstone.
Absolutely. For building data pipelines, training those,
Yeah.
complex ML models, getting insights for actual business decisions, it's often right there in the middle.
So understanding it isn't just nice to have.
No, it's vital. If you don't grasp how the core pieces fit together, you're leaving value on the table. Performance, efficiency, the real power. It's more than coding, it's understanding the system.
Okay, let's do it then. Rapid fire. What are the absolute key concepts we need to get our heads around to really understand Databricks?
Okay, first up, the Lakehouse platform itself. Think of it as blending the best of two things. You get the reliability, the structure of a data warehouse,
Okay.
but also the flexibility you'd find in a data lake.
Yeah.
All in one place. It's a central environment for managing your data, your AI models, everything.
Got it. Lighthouse is the big foundation, so where does the actual day-to-day work happen?
That would be the workspace. That's your team's command center, really. It's where you'll find your notebooks, manage your code, organize projects, collaboration happens there.
And notebooks, I always picture them as like interactive scratch pads for data people.
That's a perfect way to put it, yeah.
Yeah.
You use Python, SQL, Scala, or run code, see results immediately. Great for exploring, iterating fast, visualizing things.
Makes sense. But all that crunching needs power, right?
Yeah.
Serious compute power.
Definitely. And that's where clusters come in. These are essentially your on-demand compute engines, and they're powered by Apache Spark.
Spark, okay.
Yeah, they scale up or down based on what you need. So if you've got massive data sets, Spark helps process that data in parallel, making huge jobs manageable.
And keeping all that data reliable, trustworthy. That sounds important.
Crucial. That's Delta Lake's job. It adds this layer of reliability on top of your data lake storage. It provides ACD guarantees.
ACD.
Yeah, it basically ensures your data transactions are processed correctly. Think consistency, accuracy. Plus, it versions your data so you can roll back if needed, like a safety net for your data.
Okay, safety net versioning. What about security? Who sees what?
Right, critical point. That's Unity Catalog. It acts as the central governance and security layer. It manages access control, who can see which tables, who can query what. It also tracks data lineage, which is huge for compliance and just understanding where your data came from.
Makes sense. Shifting gears slightly to the AI side, MLflow keeps coming up. What's its main role?
MLflow is all about managing the machine learning lifecycle.
Mm.
From tracking your experiments, what worked, what didn't, to packaging your code so others can reproduce it, and then standardizing how you deploy models into production.
So streamlining the whole MLOps process?
Exactly. It brings order to the potential chaos of AI development.
And what about the folks who aren't building models but need to analyze the data? The analysts?
For them, there's Databricks SQL. It provides a familiar standard SQL interface, so analysts can run fast queries directly on the data sitting in the lakehouse. No need to move data around constantly.
So they get quick insights using tools they already know.
Precisely.
And the engineers actually building the pipelines that feed all this.
They often use Delta Live Tables or DLT. It's a framework for building data pipelines that are reliable and easy to test. It uses a more declarative approach.
Declarative meaning?
Meaning you define what you want the outcome to be, rather than specifying every single step how to do it. It simplifies building and managing those data flows.
Wow, okay. So it really feels like each of these components isn't just powerful on its own.
No, not at all.
But they're designed to work together, right? They amplify each other.
That's the key insight. The real transformation comes from how these pieces interlock. Workspace, notebooks, clusters, Delta Lake, Unity Catalog, MLflow, Databricks SQL, DLT. They form a cohesive whole.
So the big takeaway from this quick dive isn't just knowing the names, but seeing Databricks as more than just a toolbox.
Exactly right. Think of it as a data operating system, a unified platform. And grasping these core concepts, that's your first essential step to navigating it well and really unlocking what it can do.
Makes perfect sense. So if you want to dig deeper into how all these parts connect and build that bigger picture view, definitely check out the full blog post, Navigating the Databricks Ecosystem.
It lays out how understanding these connections helps everyone, from leaders setting strategy to data pros building their careers.
Absolutely. Ready to navigate Databricks smarter starting now? Let's go.